Hello everyone, welcome to Vedantu guys. So today I am going to discuss about the very important question of quadratic equation, and on the basis of this equation we have to find out the relationship between the coefficient of all this term, means a, b and c, right? So according to the given equation, so the roots of this equation is tan p by 2 and tan q by 2 guys. So what is the equation? So we can write here the x square plus bx plus c is equal to 0, where a is not equal to 0, and roots of this equation is tan p by 2 and tan q by 2. So directly we can write here tan p by 2 and q by 2 is equal to minus b by a, right? Are you getting my points guys? And product of roots equal to, we can write here tan p by 2 into tan q by 2 is equal to, you can simply write it as c by a, right? Are you getting my points guys? So we can write here c by a, okay, right? And according to the question, root triangle is given guys, right? So you can simply write it as in the form of triangle. So right triangle is given, right? So we can draw this triangle, okay, and this triangle is guys P, Q and R is at the right angle guys, right? So we can write here the R and Q, okay, and it is 90 degree, and according to the angle sum property we can write here angle P plus Q plus R is equal to 180 degree guys, because sum of all angle of the triangle is equal to 180 degree. So we can write the P plus Q is equal to 180 minus R, and what is the value of 180 minus R equal to 90 degree. So we can simply write it as a P plus Q is equal to P plus Q is equal to 90 degree guys, right? So now we know that the formula tan A plus B is equal to tan A plus tan A plus B is equal to tan A plus tan B divided by 1 minus tan A into 1 minus tan A into tan B. Are you getting my points? Okay. And tan A plus B equal to, we can write here tan, what is the value of A? So P by 2, and plus we can write here the Q by 2, right? Okay. And now here we can write here tan A means P by 2 plus tan B means Q by 2, tan Q by 2, okay, divided by 1 minus tan P by 2 into tan Q by 2, tan Q by 2, right? Are you getting my points? So after taking the LCM in the LHS, and we will get tan P plus Q by 2 directly, right? We can write here, okay. And what is the value of tan P by 2 plus Q by 2 equal to, we can write here the minus B by A, okay, from equation this, right? And 1 minus product of root equal to C by A, so we can write here the 1 minus C by A guys, right? And what is the value of P plus Q? So we have so that P plus Q is equal to 90 degree, so we can directly write here the 90 degree by 2 equal to 45 degree, okay, and it will become the minus B by A divided by A minus C by A minus C by A, and after dividing you will get the value 1 is equal to minus B by A minus C, right? So you can simply write here A minus C is equal to minus B, so C is equal to, you can say that simply you can write here A minus C equal to minus B, So when we send this B into this side, and we will get this option C is a correct. C is equal to A plus B, right? Are you getting my points, guys? So thank you. Have a nice day.